Hello friend, in this particular video I'm going to talk about hashing. Well, what actually hashing is? It will be clear right in this video. So let me tell you, hashing is a technique of data storage and retrieval, and it provides a big or one average time. Now, in order to implement hashing, we need to come across two concepts. One is called hash table and hash function. As you can see in the diagram, what I have done is this is the hash table which has been stored within the main memory of a computer, or even it can be in hard disk. Now this hash table is an arrow representation, and for that reason we have got the following index. You can consider this index to be like an offset. Now what about the word like Peter, Alice, Jim and Jack? Well, these are called hash keys. So it's like a key value pair, and its associated data are the value for this particular given key. So for that reason I have separately written down over here the hash keys. These are the keys for the given value corresponding to the hash table. Now what about the hash function? Well, hash function is a function that takes a key as a parameter, and it will provide us the index corresponding to that particular key. So if you look at this, if the hash function has a key called Peter, the index would be 1, where exactly the key Peter is been located. So that's how the hash function works. Now in this particular diagram, if you look at the index number 5, something important you will notice. The key Jim is already there inside the index 5. Now the hash function having key as Jack is accidentally maps to the index 5 where already Jim is present, and that is called collision. So how do you handle collision? Well, there are two different ways of handling collision. One is chaining and other one is open addressing. In this particular video I'm talking about chaining. So since hash function has given the index as 5 for Jack, what Jack would do is that it will create a new node, and this new node will be connected with index 5 in the form of linked list. As you can see over here, it's like a double linked list that has got the connectivity between to and from the index 5. So Jack will also hold the data within this particular node. So that is how a brief introduction about hashing is, and as I said, that collision can be handled in two different ways. So in my next video I will be talking more about the open addressing, because that is also going to provide in three different ways, and that's the content of my next video. Thank you very much.